Oh, so I made the mistake here. It is minus 3 times. This is minus. So minus 3 and minus 20, that is minus 23. Minus minus cancel, y is equal to 23 upon 23. So y is equal to 1. Once you get the first variable, you can substitute that value in any of the equation. So next step, substituting in equation, suppose 1. So y is equal to 1. I can write down in the first equation 5x plus 2y. Instead of y, what I'm going to substitute? Y's value, that is 1, is equal to minus 3. Therefore, 5x plus 2 is equal to, so 5x is equal to, this plus 2 is going there, minus 2. 5x equals to minus 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 5 upon 5. Yes, you know very well how to cancel it. So x is equal to 1. Once you get both the answers, you can declare your solution as solution set, and that is equal to 1 comma, sorry, minus 1 comma 1. X is minus 1, y is 1. Always while enclosing the numbers in the box, take care you are first writing your first variable, x, then the second variable. So this was the method adopted since last period. You are now understanding the method. Okay. इसी सिनेरियो को आगे बढ़ाना है हमको. शायद ये होमवर्क का क्वेश्चन भी था. I'm giving you 1 minute to note it down. Then we'll move to the tricky question, little bit change. और mind well ये questions board exam में आ चुके हैं. So next question will be the definitely the 5-star question. I'm giving you 1 minute to note down this children.
अभी कुछ फायदा नहीं.
Don't do that, please. Where I made boxes, these are the 3 steps, making you understand the steps to be taken while solving the equations simultaneously. You are not supposed to box them. I cannot teach.
अभी तुम्हारा बोर्ड और ये सब क्लियर है.
Thank you. So everyone understood this question? मुझे पता है मुझसे पहले काफी लोगों ने कर दिया होगा ये सम. यस, ये क्वेश्चन हम लास्ट ईयर के सिलेबस को ही कंटिन्यूएशन में है कर रहे हैं. But they are not written anything. I think you had understood. Okay. Moving further. As I said, the next question is really very important. जैसे कि हम उसको declare कर चुके, it's a 5-star question. Last year this was asked in the board exam. So I hope you all will note it down very properly. The question is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. On the next question, the equation is 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. I'm repeating, the question is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3 and 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. Actually question कुछ बड़ा सा ये difficult नहीं है. Only thing is that here is the coefficient in the form of fractions. The coefficients are in the form of fraction. So क्या करना चाहिए? पहली बात तो note करो कि variable is still in the numerator. Variable is still in the numerator. So you have to just make the equation simple by doing the cross multiplication. Check out the first one. 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. I am labeling as equation 1. I am labeling it as equation 1. Here this 3 will do the cross. So I am going to get 1x plus 3 into y is 3y. The whole upon 3 is equal to 10 upon 3. Equation के दोनों तरफ अगर denominator same है, then no need of crossing. You can kill them. So I'm going to do it. So what we get is x plus 3y is equal to 10, which is actually your equation number 1. Which is actually your equation number 1. The same way we will go for the second equation. 2x plus 1 upon 4y equals to 11 upon 4. So now this 4 is going to do the cross multiply with 2x. So 4 2s are 8x plus this 1y as it is, the whole upon 4 is equal to 11 upon 4. Again, same denominator, across the equal sign, I can cancel. 8x plus y is equal to 11, which is equation number 2. So क्या खास बात समझ में आ रही है आपको? यहाँ क्वेश्चन आपको डायरेक्ट दिया नहीं था, equations were not given direct. So we have to simplify them and create the two equations. So x plus 3y is equal to 10 is your first equation, and 8x plus y is equal to 11 is your second equation. Now picking up this both the equations, we can start with the same way. Yes, the x is here only 1x and here it is 8x. As you can see, y is 3y and the here it is 1y. So either you can make the y same or you can make the x same. ठीक है, चलो इस बार हम y को सेम बनाते हैं. यहाँ 3y है. Can I make this y also 3y? Yes, that is by multiplying equation 2 by 3. So the first step, multiplying equation 2 by 3. So what I'm going to get? 3 eggs are 24. 3 into y is 3y is equal to 3 11s are, yes, 33, and I got the equation number 3. Now equation 1 may be 3y है, equation 2 may be, equation 3 may be 3y है. अब आपके पास दोनों y same आ गए. You can do the next step. Observing their signs. Here is plus 3y, here is plus 3y. दोनों का साइन सेम है, तो मैंने बताया आपको करना पड़ेगा subtraction. Good. So subtracting equation 1 and 3. Equation 1 and equation 3. So what will I get here? Yes. X plus 3y equals to 10 and 24x plus 3y equals to 33. Subtraction means changing the sign. So we are going to change the sign of the equation 2. So here is minus 24x minus 3y and minus 33. Minus 24x minus 3y minus 33. And now read it along with the new sign. x minus 24. That is minus 23x. This plus 3y minus 3y as usual got cancelled. So 10 and minus 33. That is minus 23. Everyone knows from the bigger number, smaller number is getting subtracted. Yes. So that is minus minus cancel. X is equal to 23 upon 23. Once again we got x is equal to 1. And the first step is, first variable is opted. So yes, the next one, substituting. Substituting where? In equation. Okay, as I said, any one equation you can substitute. 1 or 2 or 3. So I am substituting it. 1. So what will I get? Okay. Okay, so x is your 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. So making this 1 to shift there. Py is equal to 10 minus 1. Py is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 upon 3. Y is equal to 3. So we got our solution set ready. So solution set is, yes, x is 1 and y is 3. And here we get the answer. As I said, this question was asked in the board exam. Simultaneously solving equation, mostly it happens to be easy. Little bit tricky अगर हुआ अभी, तो basic fundamentals को use करके solve करना है. Weightage of the question matters or not. Definitely 3 to 4 marks. So किसी भी हालत में question wrong होना आपके लिए बहुत बड़ी गलती हो जाएगी. I told you in the board exam, if your question of 1 mark is wrong, आपका 1 mark का नुकसान होता है. लेकिन अगर 3 marks का question wrong होता है तो directly you are dropping 3 marks less and it's a huge loss. Board exam, you cannot take a liberty of losing a single mark. I have told you, you can check out your answer by substituting these values in the equation. And you yourself come to know whether you are right or wrong. So this is the another important thing about the simultaneous equation. I hope you had understood this question. Again, 1 more minute to get it copied, or you can take the screenshot. Please do it, children. So far, there is no message. So if you are finished writing, you can move to the another question which is little bit again twisted. Okay, children? Shall I rub this? Doesn't say we are not getting any messages here. I hope children are understanding.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall I move further? Thank you.
आ रहा है ना?
As I said, another question, another linear equations, but they are again having, yes, something different in them compared to the previous questions, 5 questions what we had done. Write down this question along with me. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. It's your okay, this is your first equation given. And your second equation is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. I'm repeating the question for you. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. 101x plus 99y is equal to 500. क्या खास बात आप नोट कर रहे हो? I'm expecting comment from you. Yes, these are the equations with bigger coefficients, huge coefficients, large coefficient. And second important thing is that, yes, there is an alteration. जो x का coefficient है वो second equation में y का है, जो y का coefficient है first में वो second equation में x का है. Correct. 99x is your 99y. 101y is your 101x. Yes, ये typical question है और इस type के question को solve करने की typical method. Very easy method. As usual, pick up the two equations, label them as 1 and 2. So 99x plus 101y equals to 499 is your equation number 1. And 101x plus 99y is equal to 501 is your equation number 2. दोनों equations को number कर दिया हमने. So now, yes, you don't have to make the coefficients same, neither by multiplying and nothing. Yes, क्या करना है? Typical method. पहले दोनों equation को add कर दो. You will create one more equation. And फिर इन्हीं दोनों equations को subtract कर दो. You will generate one more equation. Check it out. What I'm going to do? I'm going to first add both the equations. So, adding 1 and 2. What I will get? 99x plus 101y equals to 499. 101x plus 99y equals to 501. और जब हम इन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे, I will generate a new equation. Not a single variable is going to get cancelled here. So what will I get? 99 plus 101, that is 200x. 101 plus 99 is 200y. Yes, and here 500 and 500, that happens to be 1000. अब ये दोनों में 200x and 200y, what is common in both? Number 200, I can take it out common. So 200 bracket x plus y is equal to 1000. Now this 200 will divide there. So x plus y is equal to 1000 upon 200. Your favorite job? You like to cancel the zeros? So zeros cancel. 2 ones are 2, 5s are. So x plus y is equal to 5, and you got a new equation called as equation number 3. तो समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, अभी तक हमको x और y नहीं मिला है. So we got a new equation that is in the form of x plus y. Similarly, I am going to do the subtraction of the given two equations. So subtracting. Okay, I'll write on to that side only. Subtracting equation 1 and equation 2. So equation 1 is 99x plus 101y equals to 499. 101x plus 99y equals to 501. Subtraction में भी अगर किसी को doubt है, I will tell you that you have to observe me carefully what I am doing and then you have to practice it. Yes. So minus, minus, minus. 99 minus 101. Rather 101 minus 99. It is 2. So minus 2x. Again ये subtract हो जाएंगे. From 101, 99 is gone, so 2. Sign is here plus, so plus 2y. Again ये subtract हो गए. Minus 2. Because 501 में से 499 को minus किया आपने. And answer to sign minus. Again in this 2, what is common is minus 2. What remains is x, and this plus will become minus is equal to, क्योंकि इन दोनों में से अगर minus 2 को बाहर लिया आपने, so this x as it is a plus sign, and you have taken minus 2 out, and inside sign will become minus. So x minus y is equal to minus 2 upon minus 2, and you got another equation, equation number 4. That is x minus y is equal to 1. अब जब आपके पास दोनों इक्वेशन आ गए एकदम सिंपल फॉर्म में x plus y वाला इक्वेशन and x minus y, then you have to do nothing but simply add them. Correct? So adding equation 3 and equation 4. What will I get? X plus y is equal to 5 and x minus y is equal to 1. I'm adding, so x plus x, 2x, y is cancelled, and 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So x is equal to 6 upon 2. How much it is? 3. So I got x is equal to 3. Here I got the value of the first variable, that is x. Is it clear to you? Okay. आगे का स्टेप बिल्कुल सही है. ये x का वैल्यू हम सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So substituting in, of course you have now the choice 3 and 4, very simple equations, you can substitute in them. So x plus y means 3 plus x plus y is equal to 5. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5 minus 3. Y is equal to 2. Very good, and therefore we got our solution set as 3, 2. 3, 2. क्वेश्चन समझ में आया आपको? क्या करा इस इक्वेशंस में?
Yes, ma'am.
Coefficients altered. Same coefficient given. Same coefficients are getting altered. So क्या typical method था? सबसे पहले इन दोनों इक्वेशन को ऐड करना है. You generate a new equation. Then इन दोनों equations को subtract करना है. You get another new equation. And ये जो दो equation होगी ये simple equations होगी x plus y के form में और x minus y के form में. आपको इन्हें क्या करना है? Add. As you add them, you get the one first variable, and substitution gives you the second variable. Mind well, this is very important question. Textbook में एक ही दिया है. In the miscellaneous or you say problem set, we will come across 2-3 more, and I'll be giving you for practicing more questions. लेकिन अगर ये एग्जाम में आता है तो उसका वेटेज 4 to 5 marks. Exactly correct. If you are getting your answer, you are scoring your 4 marks or your 5 marks. वैसे 4 marks के लिए tentatively expected है, and if you are luckiest people, you will get this question in the exam. बस गलती नहीं होना चाहिए आपका सीक्वेंस. अगर आप प्रॉपर रिकॉर्ड्स को प्रॉपर रखकर अगर आप सिस्टमैटिकली सॉल्व करते हो, तो simultaneously solving method is never a difficult one, and hardly chances are there of making mistakes. I hope you understood this question. Okay, 1 minute I'm giving you to copy this, or you can take the screenshot of it. Okay. After finishing for better boy. Okay. What's going on? Here, no nonsense is expected. I'm waiting here after finishing, so behave. No, but that is the same. They are talking among themselves. Now I want their parents also to get involved in it. You're done. No discussions among yourself. I can't say God bless you, Nazim sir. So this lecture of linear equations in two variables you're understanding. One more question is there of same type, but I'm giving you to solve. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes to solve that question. Chalega? What says? Same type of question. I'm writing it on the board. Okay? देखते आप कर सकते हैं कि नहीं? Ready? Okay. The question is, shall I dictate? No. Okay, I'm writing it on the board. Question is 49x. You all have finished this, so I'm going to rub it. So the tricky question. देखते कितने बच्चे कर पाएंगे? Let me see who is the fastest and the most correct answer. So the question comes for you. This 49x minus 7y is equal to 172. And the second equation is 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Are you observing the equations? Yes, exactly like the previous question. The variables has got altered themselves. जो 49x है यहाँ पर वो 49y है. Then 57y is here 57x. Exactly same step. Signs को ध्यान नहीं देना है. I told you first step adding the equation. आपको एक x बार y form में equation मिलेगा. Then again subtracting the same equations, you'll get another equation. And ये जो दो नए equation मिले उनको आपको क्या करना है? Add. Exactly same pattern करे. आप try करो. I'll give you 1 minute time. You will do it. Yeah. Go on. ये कौन है? I hope you all are doing it. Take your time, as I said.
xy equals to 7.3.
तो इसका आंसर भी आ गया. Good. Archisha also.
xy equals to 7.3.
Okay, 7,3. I am happy to see this. So nice to see these people who are very fast. चलो बाकी भी करेंगे. नहीं, मैंने ये नहीं बताया आंसर right है wrong है. Still I'm waiting. When I solve the sums, you will come to know whether you're right or wrong. You know how to check it out. Just substitute the values, see whether the answer is right or wrong. He's purposely dancing.
इक्वेशन लिखा है तुमने वो लिखो नहीं
But
ये लाइट का फोकस आ रहा है
coefficients if altered है ना, so they can also.
दिखेगा नहीं ये उधर आओ मुझे दिखा ये दिख रहा है ये ना
समझा.
नीचे से लिखो
49x minus 57y is equal to 172. This is your equation 1. And equation 2 was 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. I hope everyone has done. Okay. 3 to 4 people has finished. Let us wait for a few more. Okay, I will solve it for you. ठीक है, शुरू करते हैं. First step, adding equation 1 and 2. So 49x minus 57y equals to 172. 57x minus 49y equals to 252. Adding means not changing the sign. So 49 and 57, both are having same sign, so they will get added up, and I will have 106 x. ये दोनों भी ऐड हो जाएंगे. 106 y. गलत फहमी में मत रहना that adding means I will get an equation of x plus y. जरूरी नहीं. Okay. So here is equal to 424. Now, what is common amongst them? 106. So x minus y is equal to 424. X minus y equals to 424 upon 106. 106 का टेबल आता है आपको? Yes, it is 2s are. 106 1s are. 106 2s are. No, wrong. So how much it is then? Yes, yes, check out. What is, okay, you can go by 2, you can go by 3. You can direct. So 4s are. Why nothing is complementary? So it is answer is equal to 4. So x minus y is equal to 4. This is our equation number 3. Many of you got this correct? Okay. Now we are going to do the subtraction. So subtracting equation 1 and equation 2 again same equation 1 and 2 we are going to subtract. So 49x minus 57y equals to 172. Okay. And 57x minus 49y equals to 250. यहाँ mistakes कर सकते काफी सारे बच्चे. Okay, I know that. Change the sign. Minus, plus, minus. Now read 49 and minus 57. They will be subtracted. Yes. So how much will be the answer? 8. And the answer sign will be minus. So minus 8x. Again here is minus, here is plus. So they will get subtracted.
Plus 8.
7 and 49 subtraction is again 8. But the sign of 47 is minus. So I will write minus 8 minus 1 is equal to 8. Again subtraction होगा. Yes. 80. How much I am getting? 80. Again I must say what is common?
Minus 8.
मैम minus 80 है.
Plus.
Ma'am, minus 80.
अच्छा minus.
मैम ऐसे minus 80 है. हाँ.
Thank you, thank you. X plus y equals to minus 80. आपका prompt बता रहा है कि आप सबका ध्यान है. So x plus y is equal to minus 80 upon minus 8.
10.
Yes, minus minus cancel. 8 ones are 8 tens are. So x plus y is equal to 10. We got our fourth equation. So एक x minus y में मिला एक x plus y. पर इतना याद रहेगा आपको कि जरूरी नहीं that adding will give you x plus y and subtracting will give you x minus y. No. Depending on the situation, you are going to get either x plus y or x minus y. अब ये जो दो नए इक्वेशन मिले क्या कहते हैं हम इसको? Again and. बिना सोचे समझे बिना कुछ के डायरेक्ट करना आपको एडिंग इक्वेशन 3 and 4. So your equation 3 and 4 is x minus y is equal to 4 and x plus y is equal to 10. So x plus x, that goes to be 2x and y's are getting cancelled, which is equal to 14. So x equals to 14 upon 2, that is 7.
7.
Got the value of y as 7. While writing the answer, many of you has written 7, 3. So here we got x is equal. So you were exactly right. The solution set which we obtained is x is 7 and the y value. Okay, I'm going okay, I'm going very fast. Yes, what is the next step?
Ma'am, y नहीं निकाल.
Substituting in 3. Substituting in 3. Yes. So equation 3 is x minus y is equal to 4. At the place of x, I'm going to write down 7 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4 minus 7. Minus y is equal to minus 3. So y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Your solution set is x7 and y3. 7, 3. So here is the answer. Many of you got this right. I'm very happy to see that. You understood this typical method. जब coefficients altered रहेंगे तो क्या करना है? Very good. So the simultaneous equations. We had seen three category question. एक थे direct equations. दूसरा था जब fraction दिया रहेगा तो कैसे simplify कर रहे हैं. And this was the last category. where the coefficients are given in the altered manner, then what you should do or how you should solve the equations. I hope this equations today's session was productive. अगर आपको समझ में आया है तो I can declare our first exercise is completely over. आप लोगों ने अगर टेक्स्ट बुक परचेज की है तो वेरी गुड, अदरवाइज आई विल सेंड यू द पीडीएफ.
यस मैम, मिला है टेक्स्ट बुक.
ओके, तो ये एक्सरसाइज पूरी तरह से रिपीट करना आपका काम है. आफ्टर टुमारो इज संडे, सो मंडे विल बी बैक एंड वी विल बी डूइंग द द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. आई एम गिविंग यू टुडे सम क्वेश्चंस एज अ होमवर्क, सो नोट इट डाउन देम.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर बोलो.
Question number I'm not giving you from the textbook. Okay, I'll give you from the textbook only.
Ma'am, all are not having the textbooks.
So I will write it down on the board only.
Yes.
Okay. Shall I rub this?
Yes.
यस मैम.
Write down the homework questions. Two x plus 3y is equal to 12 and x minus y is equal to 1. The next, x minus 3y is equal to 1. 3x minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. 3x minus y minus 2 is equal to 0. 2x plus y is equal to 8. And fourth one, 3x plus y is equal to 10. X minus y is equal to 2. Few category different type of sums will be given to you the next session. I hope you had understood this. Yes, कोशिश करो homework करने की and see that you are getting most of the sums correct. अगर किसी क्वेश्चन में कोई डाउट है, you can WhatsApp to me individually. I will solve and give it to you back individually. Yes. So thank you for the day. Take care. Be safe. Fight with the corona with a healthy diet and lot of homework. कल आपको कुछ राइटिंग स्किल के फिर से कुछ मटेरियल आपको स्कैन करके भेजा जाएगा. And notes, if they're approaching, as I told you, by 3rd May, we are expecting the notes to come. और आपको अकाउंट नंबर भी मैं व्हाट्सएप कर दूंगी. Afterward, you can pay the money in the account if the lockdown continues. Otherwise, yeah, we will have one session, one meeting and the classes if the permission is granted, and that time also we can do the other technical works. Other teachers are in collaboration with me, but as they are not equipped to get the lectures on the Zoom, I'm making them to wait, get it done like language teachers, but the science and maths teachers has got started. Yeah, the other teachers will also work out. लेकिन हमको वक्त जाया नहीं करना है. आपके लिए एक बात अजीब होगी that you may think we are in a very hurried manner, लेकिन खास बात ये है कि it's a board exam children. वक्त बहुत important होता है. दूसरी बात से lockdown and the other things may continue for a long time. As per the sites, I can see that the people are talking in the education department. शायद schools and colleges बहुत late शुरू हो गया आपके. फिर उसके बाद पोर्शन कंप्लीट करना एक बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी हो जाती है एज अ क्लास टीचर, क्लासेस ओनर, एंड आपके ऊपर फिर बाद में बहुत बर्डन हो. और हम नहीं चाहते कि किसी भी हालत में भले कोई भी रीजन हो, लाइक कोविड हो या कोरोना की वजह से आपका ये साल कहीं भी डिस्टर्ब हो. दिस इज वेरी क्रूशियल ईयर ऑफ योर लाइफ, द बोर्ड एग्जाम. आई डोंट वांट टू टेक एनी रिस्क, सो सीरियसली वी हैव स्टार्टेड अप. Slowly we will go on. The pace will be very slow, but it will be continuous. The continuous and the consistent efforts gives the result. So thank you all of.